In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and upgrade an existing app with Claude CLI MCP. We'll start by getting your previous app organized. Make sure your project has a clean, predictable folder structure with top-level folders for backend, front-end, and tests, plus a README file. If your tree looks like my app with those three folders and a README, you're in great shape. Before moving on, delete heavy or auto-generated files such as node modules, .pic files, and any build artifacts. This keeps your payload small and speeds up indexing and edits later on. Next, open the Claude CLI. You can do this by simply typing Claude in your terminal. If you prefer, open the integrated terminal inside your IDE like VS Code or PyCharm and run the same command there. Now initialize multi-context memory so Claude can work across multiple files in your project. Run Claude MCP init, context 7. Using context 7 enables full project memory, which is especially important for larger or multi-file apps where cross-file awareness matters. Load your existing app into MCP with Claude MCP load path to my app. Claude will index every file in that folder so it can understand the structure and content of your project. From this point on, you can interact with it as if you just created a fresh project. Verify everything loaded correctly by running Claude MCP status. You should see confirmation that your project is loaded, the number of files indexed, whether subagents are active, and that context memory is enabled. If anything looks off, double-check the folder path and try loading again. For better code quality, consider adding rules. Use Claude MCP rule add. Name strict types. Prompt always use type checking where possible. And Claude MCP rule add. Name lint enforced. Prompt follow coding style guide strictly. These prompts guide edits to stay consistent and maintainable. If you want automation, add subagents. Run Claude MCP subagent create. Name code reviewer, task, review all code for bugs and best practices, and Claude MCP subagent create, name test generator, task, generate unit tests for all files. These helpers speed up reviews and test coverage without manual overhead. You're now ready to edit or generate features. Start an interactive session by typing Claude, then give a clear prompt, such as refactor the backend to use JWT authentication and improve security. Claude will modify files directly in your project.